everyone, welcome to this video where we are given the equation of the line and more importantly, when we zoom into the question, they actually tell us that, oh, this is a very important term. The point is on the line. This gives us, and so for this particular point, all we have to do, we just need to substitute into the equation because it should satisfy this equation. So you will then therefore see my first working as substituting it. How do we substitute it? My P will be my X, my 1 will be my Y, and therefore you will then see my X. I no longer write X anymore. I write as P. My Y, I will write it as 1 when I do the substitution. Then we just need to solve this equation. How do we solve it? Well, we just apply what we have learned in previous chapter. I am going to first add 4 over 3 P on both sides. So that 4 over 3P plus 4 over 3 minus 4 over 3P, 0. I will also minus 1 on both sides, so that 1 minus 1 equals to 0, and you will then see my next line as positive 4 over 3P equals to 1 minus 1. Okay, and my next line is simply to continue to simplify this. 1 minus 1 equals to 0, and last but not least, I will need to divide by 4 over 3 on both sides. And when I do that, I will get back my 1P. 0 divided by 4 over 3 will give me a value of 0. And that will be the answer for this part A. And by now you should see also that they also let us know that this point Q lies on the line as well. So what do you think we should do? Yes, we are going to apply what we have learned previously and what you saw in part A. Substitute into the equation my X, no longer writing X anymore, as Q. My Y will be 5, and that's what you all are seeing in this working. And solve this equation. Again, I'm going to add 4 over 3. This time around is Q. On both sides. And I'm going to see, and I'm going to minus 5 on both sides as well. This is to ensure that my 4 over 3 Q minus 4 over 3 Q will give me 0. 5 minus 5 will also give me 0. And you will see my next step will look like this. I'm left with 1 minus 5, and I'm going to simplify my 1 minus 5 to give me the following. Last but not least, I will have to divide by 4 over 3 on both sides. So negative 4 divided by 4 over 3 will give me a value of negative 3, and that will be the answer for this question. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So the learning point is that when the question tells us that a point is on the line, we just need to substitute the point, meaning the x and y coordinate, into the equation to find the unknown. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.